Morning, guys. So, man, postpartum hair loss is no joke. Thank you guys for dealing with my morning hair all the time and everything. But anyway, so I'm going to be taking you through my day on keto, day 2. And of course, I'm starting out with my bulletproof white chocolate mocha. And the recipe for this is in one of my previous videos. So other than that, and we're going to be on the go today. We're going to take the kids up to Tri-Cities, get their haircut and everything. So I'm going to really be showing you guys like the snacks and stuff that I'll pack so that, you know, it's easy while you're on the go. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so we're about to head out, so I figured I'd take you through what I'm going to pack in my bag for us to go today. So I have this that I found, that I don't eat these regularly, but I do like to have them, you know, while I'm on the go instead of reaching for something that's not good or stopping through a drive-thru or something. It's a SlimFast Keto bars, and they're 190 calories for the whole thing, so I usually use this like in place of a meal when I'm out and about. 14 grams fat. It does say higher total carbs, but the dietary fibers and sugar-free stuff takes up most, so it's really only 3 grams of sugar carbs and 7 grams of protein. So and they actually don't taste bad. So again, I'll keep it just in case I, you know, absolutely need it. But the things that I reach to first, I always take these. I like to keep them in the fridge for days like today. So I have a cheese stick, and then I also have a pepperoni stick just from Cheeseheads. And then these I take for the kids because, you know, it's not only good for us to eat healthy, but it's good for them too. So they take these just in case they get hungry. And I love the little Baby Bell cheeses. They're also good for just on the go and just take that, you know, edge off if you need a quick snack or something. So always plan ahead, pack it up. And yes, I do have an energy drink just in case I need it. Bang is one of the only ones that I found that doesn't give me a crash and doesn't give me those jitters. And it is truly 0 carbs, 0 sugars. So that is one, if you need to pick me up, you can have while you're on keto. And of course, full 40 ounces, all packed up, ready to go of water. All right, see you guys later. Hey guys, so we are still out and about. Kids got amazing haircuts. Elijah, look. Eva, look at those beautiful kids. And then we're about to go into Costco and do a little bit of shopping. But I just had a quick snack. I had the pepperoni stick and then the cheddar cheese. And finally just cracked open my bag for just a little bit because they will pick me up. And that's it. Feeling good, feeling up and going, and it's actually helping to like push off the cold too, so I'm happy. Oh, and I've been drinking the water like crazy. All right, gotta get little man going. See you guys soon. Right, so we got done at Costco. These were all the things we got today. So we got these. I haven't tried the chili and salt flavor yet, but these are 0 carbs. We got these salami and provolone snacks, which are all 0 carb as well. Amazing meat. We got tri-tip, 2 tri-tips, and beef roast that I'm going to make tonight. And then I got these to try. We'll see how they do. But they're the Parmesan cheese crisps, and they're 1 carb for 23 crisps, so that would be good. Hopefully they're good. We got cheese snacks. We got some avocados. We got pepperoni sticks. Always make sure that you check and make sure that the sugars on these, because if they're the teriyaki flavor or some type of flavor, they'll have sugars in them, so which will give them carbs. But these, the classic beef pepperoni, are just fine. And then I'm excited to try these cheese wraps. They've been all over the keto people. I don't know. Been all over. And supposedly they're good, so we'll see. Oh, and of course, huge thing of coffee, because everybody needs their coffee. Okay, so we are doing some roasted cauliflower with dinner tonight. So I already took the head of cauliflower and chopped it all up, took all the pieces. Then what we're going to do is have extra virgin olive oil, and I poured it just into the cup like this. Then you're just going to take some of the pieces and then put them in there, and I just swish it around just so that I can coat them. Man down. Dad, you got that okay? And then I just take them out and put them on the baking sheet. Mom life. Alright, then we'll take a couple more. Swish it around. There we go, and this is going to go really good with the beef roast that I have. Alright, and I like doing it that way because then it coats the whole thing cauliflower, not just like a drizzle over the top and then you have some without any oil on there. It's much better fully coated. And then I'm going to use the Lowry's garlic salt and just sprinkle that over the top. And a good amount on there. These are so good. My mouth's watering just thinking about them. Alright, and that's it. That's what it looks like. And we're baking in the oven for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. Alright. And there they are. So good. Okay, so here's finished dinner. So we have chuck roast I made in the pressure cooker. And then I have roasted cauliflower with garlic salt on it. And it looks absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so that's officially it for today. Tonight I'm actually going to start and do at the minimum a 16-hour fast. So it's 7:30 right now and I'm going to start it. So I just won't eat anything else the rest of tonight and then through tomorrow morning, and then I'll just have my bulletproof coffee but with no Hershey's in it because then it won't have any carbs in there. And then we'll see how long I make it for. So first day of doing intermittent fasting, we'll see how it goes. See you guys tomorrow.